Hi, and welcome back to the Watch Report powered by Watchbox. I'm your host, Zach Rego, and today we're going to cover some recent news in the watch industry. Hublot has just announced a new release in collaboration with Scuderia Corsa, an American Ferrari racing team, that shows a more gritty look to the classic Big Bang. This 45mm watch is cased with black and red carbon that comes from the team's Ferrari 488 GT3 machine. This way, you can still have an actual Ferrari on you, even if it is only on your wrist. This watch will be limited to just 25 pieces, so you may want to race on over to your Hublot authorized dealer and see if they can get you one, cause that would be clutch. Sorry for all the car puns, I'm just trying to break into a new area of comedy. Swatch Group has announced that it will now control all of the processing of gold needed for their watches. The group has just been awarded a Responsible Jewelry Council Code of Practices certificate, which confirms that the Swatch Group is responsibly processing the gold and that the gold is traceable to reputable sources. This vertical integration will allow the group to continue to develop new alloys like it had already done with the in-house developed material Sedna Gold. Omega, a brand under the group and a sponsor of the James Bond franchise, has also just announced that the next Bond movie will be about how James has to uncover the Swatch Group's evil gold processing plant, but later finds that the plant has all of the needed certifications and is morally and responsibly producing gold, and is paying its workers a fair wage. Kind of a boring plot, but should be some good press for Omega. And now for some celebrity watches, as seen on Celebrity Watch Spotter. Actor Mark Wahlberg was recently spotted wearing a white gold Patek Philippe Nautilus perpetual calendar reference 5740/1G, which retails for roughly $119,000 US. He was seen wearing this watch on the beach, which is a bizarre and refreshing place to wear the watch. I say this because most of the time, this watch can only be seen being worn on Chrono 24 for double the retail. Singer Adam Levine was recently seen wearing an ever rose gold Rolex Daytona with rainbow baguettes, reference 116595RBOW, which retails for roughly $93,000 US. Adam has always been known for his impeccable fashion sense, which is probably why he decided to wear a watch worth roughly $270,000 US on the secondary market, with a bracelet of beads that is worth a whopping $1.75. Congratulations to last week's contest winner, Eddie Landsberg, for being the first to correctly guess the Glasuta Original Senator chronometer I was wearing in last week's episode. The first person to comment the correct brand and reference of the watch I'm wearing this week will be getting some free watch swag sent their way. A side note for the contest, we have had some controversy surrounding the giveaway, with some people editing their answers. From this moment on, any comment that has been edited will not be eligible for the contest. I'm Zach Rego, and this has been the Watch Report. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure to click the bell for the latest updates in watch content. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.